What is everything new and coming soon to the Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge areas? Well, in today's video, we're going to be breaking down the top 10 massive projects that are coming to the region, totaling a whopping $20,721 million, with some projects that I'm personally very excited for them to be completed, and other projects stopping my clients from moving to certain areas as they don't want to live around them. So if you want to learn what the top 10 massive projects that are going to be coming to the Kitchener Waterloo region soon, keep on watching. But the first project let's talk about is the Kitchener Central Transit Hub. Now this is going to be the main central hub right in downtown Kitchener at the corner of King Street and Victoria Street, and here is going to pull in every single mode of transportation you're going to be finding into the region into this one central station, as you're going to have the LRT connected here, the Grand River buses, the dedicated line to the Waterloo Airport, which has some huge updates coming soon, we'll talk about in just a moment, as well as a new and improved GO train and GO bus connections to the rest of the GTA, to Via Rail, to the car share programs, as well as mobility scooters and bikes, with a variety of trails connected to this central port here. Project costs $130 million. And then in terms of the timeline, construction has been pushed back a couple of times. It was originally slotted for March 2026. However, still on the website, they have the anticipated open date for the public to start using its services late in 2029. Now, the next project that is going to be really associated with this central transit hub is the Kitchener GO line expansion, as this is going to be expanding and transforming the Kitchener GO line into a two-way all-day rapid transit line with 15-minute service back to downtown Toronto. Now, improvements are going to be made along the entire corridor of this GO line station here. Not only will this increase the number of trains able to go on a daily basis, but also reduce the ride time from the current time from 111 minutes down to 98 minutes. And then in terms of the budget for this project, for the entire Kitchener GO line, which of course stretches all the way to Toronto, the Ontario government is budgeting $13.9 billion for this project here. So it definitely is one of the more expensive projects happening in the Kitchener Waterloo region that will affect your day-to-day life, especially if you're going to be using the GO train to get into Toronto on a routine basis. However, with that said, I imagine there's some other projects on this list that will probably affect your day-to-day routine on a more regular basis. So if you want to learn what those are, keep on watching. Now, and then in terms of the timeline for this project here, there is no official timeline on when they're going to be having all the rapid all-day transit service. I imagine it's going to be more of a rollout as they continue to expand and improve the rail corridor, as in November 2025 they are going to be adding some additional train services. It's 4 more new ones on the weekend, as well as additional trains throughout the week as well. So if you're new here and want to learn everything about what it's like living in Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge, as well as the surrounding regions of Burlington, Oakville, or Hamilton, my name's Matthew, the founding realtor of the Living in Hamilton channel and team, and for the past couple of years been helping people just like yourselves relocate and buy a home. So if you're thinking about making the move, whether you're 60 days out or 6 months out, send me and my team a message today. Otherwise, the next project that is quite exciting, especially for my clients that have already moved in to Cambridge, is the brand new Cambridge Recreation Complex. This is going to be a state-of-the-art recreation facility offering great amenities, everything from a 10-lane, 25-meter lane pool to a leisure pool for the kids, to a triple gymnasium, as well as an indoor running or walking track and fitness area, multiple multi-purpose rooms, as well as a brand new Cambridge Public Library branch. Now, this is one of 2 brand new recreation facilities coming to the region. So if you want to learn where the other one is located, keep on watching. But for the budget for the Cambridge complex, this was between $108 and $109 million. And the city has already budgeted $93 million for construction. And then they've been funded through Ontario grants for another $19.5 million. Now, the construction on this project has already been taking place, as it's started back in late 2024 and is now expected to be completely done in the fall of 2026. And then another project that is already on its way but has a lot more years left to develop is the Station Park development in the midtown of Kitchener. And this is really going to be changing the skyline of Kitchener, as it's going to be including 5 towers built in a variety of phases. So phase 1 is the 2 Union Towers and 18 and 28 stories that are basically done construction and ready to be moved into. Phase 2 is the Duo, and these 2 towers are going to be 36 and 40 floors and are currently under construction right now. Phase 3 is going to have the platform, which will be coming soon, offering 43 stories. So this will be almost the tallest of the units. And this occupancy here is not until 2028. So it's quite a ways. And then the final phase of this development here is going to be phase 4. And that is Building E, which is the landmark 50-story tower with a mix of offices and condos. Now, not only is you going to have lots of residential condos to choose from that are close by the Kitchener Midtown, as well as lots of shopping, but also within this complex here, they're going to have some top-rated amenities, from a lap pool to a rooftop terrace to a dog park and pet wash to fitness facilities, a sports court, a theater, and more. And this project here also features a large public plaza that offers lots of retail, restaurants, and entertainment spaces, and will be rising next to the future transit hub as well as the Google campus. Now, in terms of the budget for this project here, it is not publicly disclosed, but the estimates were ranging between $300+ million, and you can find units in this development here anywhere between $500,000 and $750,000. And then in terms of the timeline, like I mentioned, it's going to be in multiple phases. So phase 1's almost complete. So if you want to move in now, you can, but there's a variety of phases that are going to be going out through the late 2020s. Then another development that is very exciting, especially for my clients that go to Guelph regularly from the Kitchener-Waterloo region, is the brand new Highway 7 between Kitchener and Guelph, as the Ontario government is advancing construction on both the Frederick Street Bridge in Kitchener, as well as widening Highway 7 between Kitchener and Guelph, adding 4 lanes along an 18-kilometer stretch of Highway 7 to help reduce the gridlock along the 401. And once complete, we'll have 7 interchanges along the way between Kitchener and Guelph, as well as a new bridge crossing over the Grand River and some general road improvements as well. Now, the budget for this project here has already soared past $1 billion for the whole project, and I imagine it will continue to rise. Now, in terms of the timeline, this is already going to be rolled out in phases as well, and they've already actually started construction on some road grading as well as utility reconstructions. However, the key structural improvements for the replacement of the Frederick Street is really going to run from 2026 to 2027, and the Grand River Bridge is slated to start in 2027 as well. Now, in terms of when the completion date of this entire corridor will be done, it is unclear. However, the Ontario government is optimistic in their target opening of 2028. Then the next massive project, and also the next recreation center that is going to be coming to the region, is the brand new Kitchener Indoor Recreational Complex. Now, this here is a brand new large recreation complex that's also going to feature 2 pools, a quad gymnasium, as well as a FIFA-size indoor turf field house, 2 different cricket practice nets, as well as an elevated walking track and a bunch of multi-purpose room. And it will also be the city's first net carbon zero building with a largest array of solar panels on the roof. Now, the total budget for this project here is a whopping $174 million, and the construction has actually already also started, as the ground was broke in the mid 2024s, and the expected completion date is set to open in late 2026. Now, another update to a recreation center, not a brand new one, but a huge renovation, was at the Preston Memorial Arena renovation. And this one here is going to offer brand new NHL-sized ice pads, as well as expanding the seatings, modernizing the change rooms, as well as a versatile multi-purpose hall and many more improvements. Now, this redevelopment here has budgeted for $33 million, and in terms of the timeline, construction actually started way back in the fall of 2023, and it's already been open since September 2025, so you can go check it out today. Then the next project that's going to be coming to the region is going to connect the Kitchener and Cambridge areas with the brand new expansion of the Ion Light Rail Transit, as this is going to add an additional 17 kilometers to the tracks here, starting from Kitchener's Fairway Station all the way to downtown Cambridge, adding 7 stops along the way. Now, this is stage 2 of the project, as it's already established in the Waterloo Kitchener area, and they're going to be extending the track, like I mentioned, 17 kilometers. Now, the initial capital cost for this project here has been estimated to be $4.5 billion. However, there's been multiple delays in terms of the timeline, so there's really no firm timeline. However, construction is not expected to start until the late 2020s is what is currently reported. Then another project that's going to be altering the skyline of Kitchener is the Tech Towers, as this here is going to be a 44-story smart condo building featuring 1 and 2 bedroom suites right in the heart of the Kitchener Innovation District, with more than a 12,000 square foot rooftop terrace and park, with a cabana offering fire pits, a lounge, barbecues, and a walking track. Now, in terms of the budget for this project, there's no publicly disclosed figure. However, like the Station Park development, you can find units here ranging anywhere from $500,000 to $750,000, and the construction started back in late 2020, and it's actually expected to be completed fully by the 4th quarter of 2026. And then the next project coming to the region is the expansion of the Waterloo Airport, as this is going to be expanding over a decade. However, they're going to be updating the airport to service more volume in a variety of flights, including updating and expanding the terminal, reconfiguring the check-in, baggage, and security areas, as well as expanding the runway 4231, going from 4,100 feet to almost 7,000 feet, as well as another runway expected to expand up to 8,500 feet. And this will allow bigger planes and more variety of planes to be able to fly in and out of this airport here. But then you're also going to see a parking expansion, and as well as just more international and domestic flights coming to this airport here. And the master plan pegged the budget for this expansion here at $375 million over its multiple phases. That's really going to be running for 10 years, but really the master plan is over a 20-year period that they're going to be rolling out, improving, and expanding this airport here. So now you know the top 10 massive projects coming to the Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge areas. If you want to learn more about living in these areas, the next video I recommend for you is my video breaking down the different areas of Cambridge and Kitchener. So you can find that video right here and here. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.